If you're out in your yard pulling weeds and your back is already negotiating with you, well, this is for you. Jim just bought this stand-up weed puller, and I'm calling it right now Total Back Saver. It has a 4-claw steel head that grabs the weed down to the root, not just at the top, so you're not out here doing the same dandelion twice. And I love that it's tall, so you can stay standing the whole time. No bending, no kneeling, no, okay, who's getting the ice pack? So here's how it works. You line up the claws right over the center of the weed, step down on the foot pedal, and push it into the soil. We'll demonstrate that in just a bit. Then you tilt the handle back and get that leverage, and it pulls the whole thing up. Here we go, we're gonna show you. And the best part, this little eject mechanism up at the top, so instead of touching the weed or the dirt, you just press the handle and it pops the weed right out. Quick, clean, and you get to keep moving. This is especially nice for dandelions, clover, and those stubborn weeds that love to pretend that they're not that deep until you try pulling them. If you want a simple chemical-free way to keep the yard looking neat without wrecking your back, this one's a keeper. And my home sweet home tip is make your tools do the hard work, and that way you can actually enjoy your garden. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.